Google has just launched their open source AI code agent called Gemini CLI. And in this video, I'll help you or guide you to show you how you can install it on your system and use it for free. So let's get started. First things first, this is the link to the repository. It is given in the caption or description. You can check it out. And if you scroll down here, you can see a README file. So let's go through it. And this is how it is going to look at the end. So first things first, you will need to install the Node.js. So head over to this link called as nodejs.org English/download. And here you can just select your operating system. You can select your architecture here and then install for it, and you just say yes, agree, and install. Once that is done, let's go back to the repository. And the second step is let's verify if you have installed the Node.js. So I would do it. Let's say if I go to my terminal and say npm-v, which stands for version, and it says 10.9.2. Great. So once we have it installed, let me go back to the repository. And here there are two ways to install it. One is using npx and one is npm. So let me copy the second command, Ctrl+C, go back, and Ctrl+V. This will take some time. It's going to install the packages, and yep, here we are. Let me go back, and then you just need to run Gemini. So once you hit Gemini, you will get these options wherein you can select the theme. So you can scroll through using up and down keys, and let me show you the more. Right, so I'm going to keep it default for now. Select it, hit enter, and then it is going to ask you for authentication. So there are three ways to authenticate, either via login with Google, and if you have generated the Gemini key from the AI Studio, then you can then paste that, and then you can just go for Vertex AI. But from now, let me just go ahead with login with Google. So it just gives me the option in the browser. Let me select the one, sign in. Great. So now if I go here, you can see I am logged in, right? And now let's see if I want to just say hi. So it says, hi there, how can I help you, right? And you can see, you can just mention the path. So I can just say ls. So now it is asking, I say yes. So it has listed 84 items from my directory. So let's do one thing. Let me create a new folder. Let's call it as test. Let me rename it as test-CLI. Sorry, I'm doing it in the other screen. And let me copy the path and let me paste it here. Great. So let's say, can you create a Python app for calculator? Let me meanwhile open this in the code editor. So I have opened this file in the folder in the code editor, and it says, great, let me allow it to execute the commands. So now you can see it says the directory is created. I'll create a Python file. Let me just say allow always. Oh, it just created a folder itself. Let me open that folder here. You can see the calculator.py has been created along with the code. So let's do one thing. Can you give me the UI using Streamlit? Let's try this. Defining the product structure, building the interface. Let's say allow. Oh, great. So it's also installing the libraries for us. So it says Streamlit is already installed. Great. Initiating the build. Oh, great. So I just need to copy this command, go back. Yep. So you can see the app.py here. Let me just open terminal, new terminal, scroll up. Let me zoom in. Great. And let me just command V, enter. Right. Simple calculator. Great. Okay. It has created something. But again, yeah. So one more thing to test it out is, let me just close this here and just say Gemini here. Great. So now you can see that, we have run it here. So I can just always command here. I want it to be like an actual keyboard based calculator. Let's see how it goes. I mean, I've spelled it wrong, but again, let's see if it can understand. Great. It says it read the file called as this. It read this. Let me say allow always. I guess yeah, it has just created this. Let me run it. I'm not happy, but let's try Python py 1 plus 2 enter 3. Great. So this is how you use the Gemini. I hope this made sense to you. And the next time you're just starting, just open your terminal and hit Gemini. That's it. And all set. We'll see you in the next video.